The dryer we are working on is a Kitchenaid, and the part number we are using is 3406107. This part fits several models from major manufacturers. Start by removing the two screws that attach the lint trap holster to the top of the dryer. Next, use a screwdriver or pry tool to separate the top of the dryer and then lift it upward and out of the way. Open the dryer door and locate the two screws that hold the door switch in place and remove them. I needed to use my dryer before I received the parts, so I twisted the wires together. Don't do this. Instead, unplug the old switch and then plug the new one in. Position the new switch into its place and reattach with the same screws you removed from the old one. Close down the top of the dryer and press down firmly until seated. Replace the two top screws that hold the lint trap holster in place. Plug the dryer back in and give it a try.